In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create custom social media reports with Hootsuite Analytics. Custom reports are useful when you want to track the metrics that matter most to your goals and present them in a format that is easy for others to understand. You can use Hootsuite Analytics to build these reports in just a few clicks, starting with your sign-in and ending with your selected report template. To begin, sign in to Hootsuite. Make sure you are using the correct account that has access to the social profiles and analytics features you plan to report on. Once you are signed in, take a moment to confirm that you are in the main dashboard area. This helps ensure you are starting from the right place before you navigate to the Analytics section. Next, click Analytics. On screen, you should see a dedicated Analytics area or navigation option labeled Analytics. Clicking this takes you away from general account management and into the part of the platform where reporting and performance views are created. It is helpful to allow the page to fully load so the available reporting options appear correctly. After you are in Analytics, click Create Report. This step is where you tell Hootsuite that you want to generate a new reporting view. Look for a button or link that clearly indicates the action Create Report. If you do not see it right away, check for a section of the interface where reports are managed, since some layouts may group these options under a reporting header. Once you click Create Report, you will typically be shown options for different kinds of reporting. From there, click Custom Report. This is the key step that shifts you from default or pre-built reporting to something tailored. Choosing Custom Report means you will be able to structure your report around specific needs, rather than relying only on generic summaries. Now you are ready to select a template. Click Select Template when you reach the template selection area. Templates help standardize the look and structure of your report, which makes it easier to read and share. As you browse the available templates, pay attention to the style or layout that best matches what you want to communicate, such as whether the template emphasizes overview metrics, engagement, or performance across time. Spend a moment choosing the template that fits your audience and purpose. If the report is meant for stakeholders, you may prefer a template that is clear and easy to scan. If the report is for internal analysis, you may prefer a template that organizes data in a way that makes patterns easier to spot. The goal here is not just to pick any template, but to pick one that will make the final report useful when it is presented. After selecting the template, you have completed the step-by-step setup process that leads into creating your custom social media report. At this point, the next actions will depend on what Hootsuite shows after template selection, such as confirming details and preparing the report content. However, based on the steps provided, the core workflow you followed ends once you have chosen the template. And that covers everything you need to know to get started on creating your custom social media report with Hootsuite Analytics.